Welcome to Peggy's Homesteading Adventures. Join Peggy as she reflects on her homestead journey, celebrating growth, resilience, and the bonds that enrich her life. Peggy walks through her garden, marveling at the transformation from bare soil to lush abundance. Peggy's homestead echoes with laughter and gratitude as neighbors gather for a festive celebration. Peggy flips through snapshots of her journey, from planting seeds to hosting community events. Peggy's friends gather around the crackling fire, sharing stories and toasting marshmallows. Inspired by Peggy's journey, a mother and son receives guidance as they embark on their homesteading adventure. Peggy reconnects with familiar faces, swapping tales of successes and challenges in farming. Peggy fills baskets with fresh vegetables, knowing they'll bring nourishment and joy to those in need. Peggy's workshop attracts attendees from afar, fostering a network of like-minded individuals. Amidst her homestead's beauty, Peggy contemplates the cycles of growth throughout the spring, summer, fall, and winter seasons, while embracing life's challenges and rewards. Under the vast expanse of stars, Peggy smiles, filled with gratitude for her homestead, her community, and the adventures that lie ahead. We hope you enjoyed Peggy's Homestead Adventures. Join us for more heartwarming stories and inspiring journeys in the world of homesteading. Until next time, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more of Peggy's Homesteading Adventures.